Utkat Asana or the squatting pose. Utkat Asana can be done in two different ways. The first variation is similar to sitting on a chair. In this, the feet are kept at a 1 foot distance and parallel to each other. Stretch the arms straight over the head. The head is firmly between the arms with the hands touching the ears. While exhaling, lower your trunk as if sitting on a chair till the thighs are parallel to the floor. Ensure that you do not lean forward and breathe normally. Stay in the pose for 10 to 30 seconds and inhaling, slowly stand up while bringing your arms down. Repeat this once more. Elderly persons and those having high blood pressure need not go down all the way. They can just go down half the way and come up. However, the back should be kept straight at all times and should not curve or hunch. In the second variation, place the feet at a 1 foot distance and parallel to each other. Inhaling, get on the toes and raise the hands up to shoulder level. Exhaling, gently squat down and sit on your legs. While coming down, you should not bend or lean forward or backward as shown. At all times, you are on your toes till the completion of the entire asana. Stay there for a few seconds. While you are down, see that the knees are also parallel to each other and pointing in the front. They should not spread out while coming down. Then inhaling, rise up on the toes without bending or kneeling. Exhaling, bring down the hands and heels together. Repeat this 2 more times and relax. Both the variations result in strengthening of the leg muscles and ankles. It improves neuromuscular coordination and improves the posture and balancing. Back and abdominal muscles get toned and the heart gets a gentle massage as the diaphragm rises. Do not rise on your toes at all if you are hypertensive. People with knee problems can do Utkatasana by keeping a chair below and use it as a support to sit down if required. However, at any stage, please do not strain yourself or try to push yourself down.